You ever notice how the moment money enters a room, love quietly exits through the back door? Yeah. One minute you're the good guy, the reliable one, the helper, and the next you're greedy, cold, all about money. And that switch, it didn't happen when I asked for interest. It didn't even happen when I asked for profit. It happened when I simply asked for my own money back. And that's when I realized helping my family didn't make me generous. It made me disposable. Hi, I'm Daniel Carter, 41 years old, and this is the story of how one small loan quietly turned me into the villain of my own family, without a single argument, without raised voices, just silence. Before I start, real quick, if you've ever helped someone and somehow ended up feeling guilty for it, hit like and subscribe. Trust me, you're going to want to hear this. So, a little about me. I'm the responsible one. Stable job, no flashy life, the guy who budgets for fun. Yeah, I know, thrilling. Family dinners were normal, group chats were active, birthdays meant texts, calls, memes. I wasn't rich, but I was comfortable. And apparently, that made me the emergency fund. My younger cousin Sophie, my brother Leo, and my Aunt Maria all close, or at least I thought so. It started small. Leo called me one night, voice low, hesitant. Dan, I hate asking, but just short term. I'll pay you back, promise. It was a few $1,000s. I didn't hesitate, because family, right? That was my first mistake. At first, everything was fine. Thank you messages, heart emojis. You saved us, man. But weeks passed, then months. So I casually checked in, nothing aggressive, just, hey, how's it looking? And that's when the vibe shifted. Leo went quiet. Sophie started replying with things like, wow, already? Maria said, you know he's stressed, right? And I remember thinking, wait, when did I become the problem? You see, what I didn't know was this. The moment I gave the money, their brains rewrote the story. Paying me back meant admitting they owed me, and owing me meant guilt. So instead, they erased the debt and painted me as selfish. Then came the group chat message. Daniel, it's not about the money, it's about family. That line hit harder than any insult, because suddenly I wasn't the helper anymore. I was keeping score, making things awkward, choosing money over people. And here's the crazy part. No one ever said they wouldn't pay me back. They just stopped talking. No fights, no closure, just silence. Months later, I realized something terrifying. I didn't lose them when I asked for my money. I lost them the moment they realized they couldn't manipulate me forever. I got the money back eventually, piece by piece. Cold transfers, no messages, and no relationships left to save. So, looking back now, I should have understood this earlier. Generosity without boundaries isn't kindness, it's permission. And that's when I realized the real loss wasn't the money. It was learning that in the wrong emotional economy, your biggest heart becomes your biggest threat. But here's the hopeful part. I sleep better now. My circle is smaller, but real. And the version of me who confused love with obligation, yeah, he's retired. And honestly, that's the best investment I ever made.